What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 16th of December. We're going to take a look here at Aerodrome Finance this morning. We're going to drop into Bitcoin. Bitcoin in new all-time high territories here, starting yesterday evening, and incredible stuff. Getting a little bit of a pushback. We have some resistance levels we're talking about. Taking a look here at Aerodrome, we're down 2.38%, reversing a bit after putting in a new daily market high today over yesterday's high. We don't have a new market daily low yet. We are fading along with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was up quite a bit more. It's only up 354 here this morning, this Monday, the 16th of December. Quick recap here, guys. What's been going on for Aerodrome Finance? Big pump up to the 234,510 level of resistance. Got a nice pullback here right into support. Support levels 186 down to 181. 3 levels of support here on my chart. Nice big move to the upside, 16%. Another nice move on the 12th of December. And again, we got that pushback at the 234 level. And so far, we're fading just a little bit. This is a higher low so far. We obviously haven't taken out the lows from the 10th. We're going to keep an eye on this. What I would like to see here, and what I think will probably play out, is this pullback here probably be pretty minor, and then we'll see a nice pop to the upside, hopefully taking Aerodrome Finance into new all-time high territory. So we'll see if the lows are in for this, or if this is going to fade back down here to support, which is possible because there is some strong levels right here: 186, 183, and 181. So that's what we got going on here for Aerodrome Finance. Triple top at the 234,510 level. So if we go back in here, which was in April, the 12th of April, market topped out at that same level that we just recently topped out. So that was once, and then in our current times, twice was just a couple days ago, and again back in here on the 7th. So once in April, twice on the 7th of December, and for the third time on the 12th of December. So triple top. Until we take that out, that is our top for Aero. We're going to keep a close eye on what's going on in Bitcoin. There's no guarantees that Bitcoin will continue to, break out and trend higher. We are watching it as it unfolds. It can change one day to the downside, and take the markets, all the markets, south with it. But until that happens, things are obviously trending higher in a nice fashion. We're still waiting for some different cryptocurrencies to pop to the upside, which haven't, which is interesting. Maybe they're later in the cycle they will when the Bitcoin dominance really starts to move lower. Maybe you'll see those smaller cap coins and stuff starts to pop to the upside. So that's what we're looking for here, guys, for Aerodrome. We want to see a higher low in place, which means a higher low than the 10th of December. Somewhere up in here, there's a chance it goes down to support at 186, or it could already be in here. The 14th, 96.1, and then the lows over here. So it looks like the 15th was the low. So, that could mark the higher low, and we'll see if this thing can get ready to start to move again to the upside and test that 234,510 level. When the markets keep bumping their head on areas of resistance above the market, it's only a matter of time until they really try to break through that. You can get fake outs, of course, which would be a break. We saw this when this market originally broke out. Market moves higher and then leaves a big candle wick and close like that. You can see that initially, which is what we saw back in here, guys. We saw this market do that right here. The date was the 12th of September. It broke out through area of resistance, got pushed back, and then the next day it gave it that solid follow through on the 11th of, the 13th of September. So we could see that. So it's just one day at a time here, one day at a time here. You know, not the most exciting times here for Aero, but hey, you got to make it through these times to enjoy the good times. And let's not discount, I mentioned this quite often, how far this thing is up in just a couple months. It's 228, 230% roughly in just a couple months. So very, very nice. Current price, $2. 2.033 is where we're trading at. Let's talk about support below. For starters, 186, 183, 181. That's next levels below if we decide to drop today in a pretty aggressive fashion. If we decide to pop to the upside, market resistance, 234. Watch the highs from the 12th and the 7th. 234 is that level. Targets remain as they have for the past couple of videos. We have a bunch of targets, but the newer targets are 230, 238, 264, 317. We have a couple more up there, 360, 595. So we got some big stuff up there, and patience right now. Let's drop over to Bitcoin BTC USD. It's up $400. Bitcoin, guys. New highs. Actually, the new highs were printed yesterday. We closed just below 104,622 level. We hit a high here, 106,554.39 overnight. Pulling back to the 104,622 level. That's my resistance level. We are trading at 104,821.56. We'll see how we do. We could get a little bit of pinning, a little bit of trading right around that 104,622.42. I wouldn't be surprised. That's a strong level there. And you can see we traded above it and closed below it yesterday. So it is a important area, 104,622.42. But it's nice that it's in the play now, And we got, $106,000 Bitcoin. Ridiculous is watching the futures, and they were, they opened up higher and they kept on roaring to the upside. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. Bitcoin trading at 104,800. Aerodrome Finance trading at $2, 2.03. And let's see what happens here in these markets on this Monday. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. Appreciate it. And of course, not financial advice. Take care.